I had taken a shower. I had taken a shower. She had made breakfast. She had made breakfast. He had brushed his teeth. He had brushed his teeth. We had cleaned the house. We had cleaned the house. They had gone shopping. They had gone shopping. I had washed my clothes. I had washed my clothes. She had made a cup of tea. She had made a cup of tea. He had fed the cat. He had fed the cat. We had finished our lunch. We had finished our lunch. I had checked my phone. I had checked my phone. She had washed the dishes. She had washed the dishes. He had changed his clothes. He had changed his clothes. They had left for work. They had left for work. I had made my bed. I had made my bed. She had watered the plants. She had watered the plants. He had turned off the TV. He had turned off the TV. We had locked the door. We had locked the door. I had packed my bag. I had packed my bag. She had called her mother. She had called her mother. They had cleaned the table. They had cleaned the table.